When it comes to protecting properties, perimeter security is one of the most important elements in construction and facility management. One of the most effective security solutions used around the world is razor wire fencing. Razor wire is usually made from stainless steel or galvanized steel, and it helps deter intruders from accessing protected properties such as homes, farms, warehouses, construction sites, and industrial facilities. In today's video, we will look at the step-by-step process of installing razor wire on a perimeter fence, including the tools used, installation techniques, and safety precautions. What is razor wire? Razor wire is a type of security fencing made with sharp steel blades attached to a high-tensile wire core. Unlike regular barbed wire, razor wire has sharp razor-like edges that make climbing over the fence extremely difficult and dangerous. It is commonly installed on top of concrete perimeter walls, metal fences, security gates, industrial compounds. Razor wire is widely used in private properties, farms, warehouses, military facilities, and construction sites because of its effectiveness in deterring unauthorized access. Before installation begins, the installers prepare the necessary materials and equipment. These usually include razor wire coils, steel brackets or Y-arms, anchor bolts or screws, tension wire, metal poles or fence supports, pliers and wire cutters, protective gloves and safety clothing. Because razor wire is extremely sharp, proper safety equipment is very important during installation. The first step in the installation process is preparing the perimeter structure. The wall or fence must be strong enough to support the razor wire system. Installers measure the perimeter and mark the positions where the support brackets or Y-arms will be mounted. These brackets create the angle needed to hold the razor wire coils securely above the fence. Once the positions are marked, the installers fix the metal brackets or Y-arms to the wall or fence. These brackets are typically spaced evenly along the perimeter to ensure proper support. They are attached using bolts, screws, or welding, depending on the fence material. Proper alignment is important to ensure the razor wire runs smoothly along the entire perimeter. After the brackets are installed, a tension wire is stretched across the supports. This wire serves as the base that helps hold the razor wire coils in place. The tension wire must be pulled tight and secured firmly to prevent sagging. A properly installed tension wire ensures the razor wire remains stable and effective. Now comes the main stage of the installation. The razor wire coils are carefully lifted and placed along the tension wire and brackets. Installers slowly unroll the razor wire coil along the fence line while attaching it at multiple points. Special clips or binding wires are used to secure the razor wire to the tension wire and brackets. This ensures the razor wire remains evenly distributed along the perimeter. After the razor wire is installed, the team performs a final inspection. They check for loose wires, uneven coils, weak attachment points. Any issues are corrected to ensure the fence provides maximum security and durability. Because razor wire is extremely sharp, installers must always wear thick protective gloves, long-sleeve clothing, eye protection. Handling razor wire without proper safety gear can result in serious injuries. This is why professional installation is always recommended. Razor wire fencing remains one of the most reliable and cost-effective methods for securing property perimeters. When properly installed, it provides a strong physical barrier that helps protect homes, farms, warehouses, and construction sites from unauthorized access. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more construction and architecture projects, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more updates.